Gusto nyo bang ma-experience ang kakaibang paraan ng cooling system service gamit ang BG products dito sa MG Autoworks? Dito sa shop namin, ginagamit namin itong dalawang products na ito para mas ma-enhance pa ang quality ng aming cooling system service. Ganito yung pag-perform namin ng cooling system service ng BG products. Una, isasalin namin itong BG Cooling System Cleaner at papaandarin ang sasakyan ng 10 to 15 minutes. Ang ginagawa nitong cooling system cleaner ay inaalis nito ang mga build-up scale, harsh mineral deposits, mga residue at kalawang na namuo sa system. Ang BG Cooling System Cleaner ay inaalis lahat ito at ang mga dangerous deposits ay mapa-flush out during fluid exchange sa coolant dialysis. Sunod naman ay papalitan na namin ang mga parts na kailangan ng palitan tulad ng water pump, thermostat, radiator at auxiliary fan. Ito naman ang tinatawag na coolant dialysis. Ito yung new coolant na pumapasok sa system, at ito naman yung old coolant na lumalabas galing sa system. Dahil sa proseso na ito, makakasigurado tayo na lahat ng lumang coolant na nasa cooling system natin ay mapapalitan ng panibagong coolant. At ang pinakahuli namin ginagawa dito ay ang pagsalin ng BG Super Cool Cooling System Enhancer.
BG Super Cool is a unique formulation that protects against foaming and corrosion and restores critical coolant additive balance and coolant pH. It restores coolant to its premier level of protection. This coolant additive provides outstanding protection for all metals used in automotive cooling systems. It also has excellent corrosion inhibitors, low conductivity, and anti-foam capabilities, compatible with coolant used in gasoline, diesel, and hybrid vehicles.